Hello, Jared out here, Shading, Texas. We installed these a few years ago. Customers looking to actually add 3 more to the other side of the patio. But I just want to show you how awesome these look just after even, a year and a half. Nice and clean installation. I'm going to raise these both up right now. It's out here, beautiful golf course area. You can see right on the hole. These are 97%, so you get some really good privacy during the day. I'm going to bring these up a little bit here. And actually what I want to do is I actually want to go to the inside as well. So I'm going to bring these down, kind of bring it around to the inside to give you guys a really good idea of kind of what we're seeing here. We actually have 3 sides done. So we've got the end unit here, and we've also got this guy here. So this is 97% screen. Once again, I've got a lot of videos that show this. This is the view looking out. I'll go ahead and shut this one all the way so you guys can see it shut down. But check that out. So you're still behind 97%, still a great view. You can still see the golfers out there golfing and kind of laugh at them from back here when they're missing their putts. So anyway, this is Jared, owner of Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com and let us do this to your patio. Thanks.